I am here with Chef Zayn from Medi's Swahili Cuisine. You are going to make one of my favorites, corn and coconut milk from Mombasa.
Hi Cindy, you're gonna love this one, and I'm using the Goya corn on the cob, so you can boil it or grill it, and I just boiled some here with a little bit of salt, and then I have some fresh cream of coconut.
Coconut milk, yummy. You know, I love, the one thing I love about the Goya coconut milk, it's so rich and thick,
yes.
and they're so flavorful.
So we'll add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit, just
so
a
you simmer
pinch,
that.
yes. And I also have some turmeric here.
Just a
So
pinch
just
of
a
this.
pinch of this.
Oh, I love the color.
Yes. So this is also one of our street eats, Mombasa Street Eats.
Ah,
Well, Mombasa is a very diverse town by itself, and it's rich in foods because of its diversity. Blend that a little bit. And we're excited about launching the Mombasa Street Eats itself. We're hoping to be in a state-of-art kitchen somewhere in the Houston area very soon. This is ready.
this is ready. It smells so good. There we go. Yummy.
The juice of the coconut inside the corn makes it taste very, very delicious. And I'll add just a little bit of the fresh white
the fresh
cream.
white corn. Okay, the white
cream.
coconut milk.
Yes.
Ah, I see the colors with the turmeric, and then you put the white.
White. I will also garnish it with some cilantro, just to make it look pretty. It's ready to serve. Now let's enjoy our Mombasa Street Eats, Cindy. There you go.
Thank you. Karabuni. To the streets of
To
Mombasa.
How is it?
Delicious.